So I reached out to Cam and said, hey, I need a new state-of-the-art system at the mattress store and probably at my home. What should we do? He was at my business the next day, gave me a bunch of different options, and we picked the best fit for us, and it's been awesome. I invested in a security system both for the business and my residents to have that peace of mind, be able to check the cameras on the phone. I mean, it's amazing with the sensors and the different things that you can set up to make it work for your life and your lifestyle. So the features that I find most beneficial would be the fact that you can use your camera whenever you want. You can have different sensors set for motion, fire, flood, you name it. It just gives you that peace of mind and helps you sleep better at night. So my experience working with NewVision was amazing, from the whole install to the people that are the techs on the backside. When you have a problem or an issue, it's just taken care of right away, and I would highly recommend them to anyone.